How's it going, everybody? Just here with your Sunday update on what everything's going on here at the garage. A little update on SlagHammer. We got the Junkyard Jet boys in here today, doing some work on their car, and so let's get started. So it's actually a nice day here at the shop. We got the garage door open, got some work going on, and it's a real nice day. I think tomorrow I might ride my bike. But if you remember the other day, I sat there and went to Alabama and got the set of headers, spinner wheel headers for SlagHammer. Well, we mocked the motor up and everything in the car, and come to find out, passenger side would fit great. Driver's side, we had to sit there and actually get a tube moved on it because it was interfering with the steering box shaft and the steering arm itself. I dropped that off on Friday, late Friday afternoon. He already had it ready to go, and I brought him back with me yesterday, and it looks like everything's going to work out great. So here we go. We had this tube was sticking too far over this way, so we brought it in, brought it back, and then on the other side, get this whipped around, had a notch put in through here that covered the rest of the steering arm issues. So that's good to go. And it didn't cost me that much to have it done, so it was well worth getting it done instead of banging the pipe all the hell. Got the rear end all back together, got fluids in it, spin around. So she's all good to go. The only things left to do is get the brakes adjusted. I still got to put the snubber in, and hopefully I can get to that tomorrow. Tony's supposed to be picking me up some 2x2 stock tubing to get all that done, and I want to get the rear end section all done all together, and then start working on cleaning the frame up, getting all the rust off of it, get it prepped, painted. And that way there we can turn around and start running our brake lines and everything, fuel lines, stuff like that. But like I said, we got the Junkyard Jet guys here today as well, working on their car. And right now they're putting a firewall in for their divide the back of the car up here. And Austin says he can't read.
No, I can't read.
So I guess they're putting this together by Braille.
Yeah, I'm also blind.
Everything's by feel.
That's good.
Starting to work on that, get all that closed up for him. Yeah. Tony did some more welding for him today.
So it's small fires.
Yeah,
that done.
It was temporarily on fire.
Yeah, and the car caught on fire temporarily, but it was a little bit of weight reduction.
Yeah, it just did our work for us.
Right.
So it works out.
Well, guys, keep up the good work, man.
Yeah, you too, man. SlagHammer looks great.
Appreciate it.
Does.
So anyway, got a little bit of stuff going on here at the shop today. So it's never a dull moment and things going on. And then Tony's got the heads almost ready to go. He's got this one fully ported. This one here is just about got ported out. And then I believe tomorrow he's taking them to a machine shop here locally and have them dipped and washed and get them cleaned out and get those back and start putting the heads together. And other than that, guys, that's a quick update for today. And I'll also let you all know too, I'm going to go ahead and do a live tomorrow night. My schedule just changed again, so I'm going to post that later on. But we will be doing a live tomorrow night starting at 7 Central, 8 Eastern. Hope everybody can come in and join. Let's discuss everything that's going on. Your bills, my bills, no-name nationals. What's on your mind? You've got issue with a part. Let me know. I can try to answer it. If I can't, I'm sure there's going to be somebody in the chat that can. I don't claim to know everything, and that's a good thing because you always want to learn every day. So, on that, guys, I'm going to get off here for now, get back to do a little bit more work, and I'll see y'all tomorrow night on Monday Night Live. Other than that, y'all have a good one. Oh, I almost forgot. I just got here at the house. There's been a few of y'all out there looking for some parts for me. I made mention I was looking for a set of tail lights for the Valiant. And a couple of y'all reached out. But Junkyard Willie, I think, has located some. And hopefully I'll hear something here from him soon. I think he's going to go out and go check them out, make sure they're good. But I do appreciate it again. If y'all get a chance, go to his YouTube site. It's Junkyard Willie. And subscribe to him. He's one of the guys that's trying to do the No Names 500. So give him a shout, give him a like, give him a thumbs up. And but I just want to add that in there. I forgot all about it. Busy day today. But anyway, guys, see you later.